What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on this channel. I'm not gonna say the last part because yada yada. But anyways, let's get into it. We are going to look at this map, see if we got anything. But we don't really care. So yeah. So then after that, we're gonna have to go on an adventure to get the TIFF 2 or the Dominator 3. I don't really care, but let's go. Wait, oh wait, hold on. I forgot to do my probes. Okay, got it. Wait, sorry, it's just can't spawn. Oh wait, never mind. Wrong car. Wrong car. Okay, time to go. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah. So, yeah. So, oh wait, there's that tornado intercept vehicle. Then go and see if I got anything. Blah blah blah. No tornado here. I better turn around. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Get away before the tornado takes me. I don't know, I don't know, I just really don't know. Alright, time to go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, now we're going storm chase. Oh wait, hold on, there's my buddy. I don't really know his name. This is another tornado intercept vehicle. Alright, oh yeah, time to go storm chasing. There's the other one. Just gonna, let's keep going. I don't really care about that guy. And there we go. Like, yeah. Chicken jockey. No, it's kidding. Alright. This is just like playing Twisted on Roblox. Sorry, this is. Do I really want the TIFF 2 or the Dominator 3? I'm gonna get the Dominator 2. Yeah! The Dominator 2 is the greatest one. I mean, like, I want to try it because I'm only sorry. Anyways, time to get working. I'm just gonna stand here real quick. Yeah. So, okay, now we're going. Let's go and see, like, I see some bumps on the cloud, you know. I think we're gonna have a twins. Am I right? 20? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Alright, time to keep going. Keep going. Let's keep driving, please. I just want to drive in the driving team. Anyways, let's keep going. I know, oh my god, man. Oh, couldn't find a town or a tornado. Maybe I'm in there. I think. Anyways, keep going. Let's keep going. This got stuck in the dirt. Okay, no. Oh no. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Where am I? I do not know. Oh.
You're gonna get the homeless villagers, by the way.
Okay, now we just wait here until
Oh.
the customers start rolling in. I hope we get a lot.
The first customer is incoming.
Oh, nice. Please come to our side.
I wonder where he's gonna go.
Come on, let's go. Ah! I'm sorry. So I know I've been talking a lot, so I'm just gonna stay quiet for a second. Oh, nice! I found another one. Another El Reno. Nah. Oh yeah, no, this ain't El Reno, darn it. Remember that one, the El Reno tornado? That was crazy. Anyways, now let's keep going. Ah, darn it, I got stuck.
We did not steal nothing. It was Zoe trying to steal our customer.
Let's do it again. Okay. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go. LTSTO. Let's go. I don't know if I said that right, but still, let's go. And also make sure to like and subscribe. Just to make sure, dudes. So, yeah. So, let me just, hold on, let's keep going. Real quick, I don't know why I'm stopping, but let's go. I don't know why we're standing here, but I don't know, it's like for me still, but I'm still a little bit, it's a little bit different than this. Frick! No, just kidding. Okay, why am I going? Come on, bro. Come on, man. Come on. Ugh. Alright, let's keep going. No, I'm just gonna stay quiet for a second. Wait, never mind. Ah, darn it. Hold on. Man, I'm still getting caught. Okay. Look, don't judge me, guys. Okay, I just barely got into this game. I mean, like, I have the Dorothy, the pro Dorothy, you'll get it. Anyways, I mean, like, it's pretty rainy, so let's see if I can get money from rain for some reason, bro. Dude, brokey. Yeah, call me broke if you want. I don't really care. Okay. This my barely my first time. Okay. So I'm gonna get some gas, even though I don't even need any. And let's keep going. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can get the probe out there. Hold on. I'm just gonna place this, and let's keep going. And wind speeds. Seriously. Man. Oh.
You guys know if we
Not